everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you record slide on your PowerPoint. So first of all, open up your PowerPoint application on your laptop or your PC, and after opening your PowerPoint, wait for a while it is opening. Tap on a blank page to continue your project. After opening the blank page, you have to continue with your project. So for that, you have to drag a picture or a video from your desktop to your PowerPoint. After dragging it on your PowerPoint, just upload it on your project page. Now place it and set it according to your desire, and after setting it, you have to move forward to complete your project. And in terms to do that, you have to choose appropriate tool to do that. So for that, you have number of tools in the menu. You have to tap on slideshow, and after tapping on slideshow, you can see you will find the option of record slideshow there. You have to click on that and it will give you these options. Just tap on start recording from current slide and then tap on start recording or start proceeding. That's how you can record a video on your PowerPoint. So I hope you like the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. Thank you so much for watching the video. By following these steps, you can record a slide on your PowerPoint.